the Z Flip 7 first look. And I'll be honest with you, by the way, shout out to Talk Tech Daily or Talk Daily Tech for posting this. But I believe the original user who posted this is right here on the screen, the name, which is Andre something. But this is the Z Flip 7. And one thing that everyone is saying is the fact that the crease is gone completely. Now, I think it is going to be based on angles and based on lighting. You know, if you're outside in the sun, you might see the crease a little bit. But if you're not outside in the sun, you might not see the crease. I don't know. Usually this is how it always is the crease is there depending on how you look at it. Sometimes, again, it is there. But even if it is there, it looks insanely crazy. I mean, look at that bad boy. You cannot tell me that this is not insanely crazy how much of a zero crease that is. Which, again, listen, I'm kind of thinking about buying the Z Flip 7. Okay, like, I'm obviously going to get the Z Fold 7. We already know that, right? But, like, Z Flip 7, man, it is a hard sell not to. Because this thing looks absolutely amazing. Now, comparing it real fast, well, not comparing it real fast, but talking about it versus the Motorola Razr series just came out, I still think the Motorola Razr series is better, and it's going to be better, but hey, still a really cool looking device, and definitely going to sell like hotcakes, especially because they're ramping up production of this phone and bringing it to America, a lot more units to America. So to avoid any type of tariffs or any type of issues like that, they're ramping up production of these units. So shout out to Samsung, because I will say I think they absolutely hit this bad boy out of the park, and I can't say there's any complaints by my at least by me, because that thing has zero crease. Which, again, it's like, does the crease actually matter? No, it really doesn't. I have used every single Z Fold, Z Flip phone, and the crease is there. And if you touch the crease, and let's say you're in Apple Music, because this is where I always have an issue with the crease. I'm in Apple Music, right? I'm scrolling up and down. I go to click on a song. If you click on a song where the crease is, it will click above the crease or below the crease. Now, that has been fixed with the Z Fold 6. But that was a problem with the Z Fold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The Z Flip series, I still have that issue. So, will that be fixed with this new iteration? Potentially. Potentially not, right? So it really depends. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.